You know what's crazy? Most people spend their whole lives working for money but never learn how money works for them. Welcome to part 1 of our financial literacy series, where we break down the real rules of money simply, clearly, step by step. By the end of this series, you will not only understand finance, you will master it. So let's start with the basics. What is financial literacy and why should you care? Financial literacy is your ability to understand and use financial skills. Means understanding how money works, how to earn it, save it, spend it wisely, invest it, and protect it. It gives you the knowledge and skills to make smart financial decisions so that you can build a stable and successful life. That include budgeting, knowing how to plan and track your income and expenses, saving, setting money aside for emergencies and future goals. Debt management, using credit responsibly and avoid high interest debts. Investing, growing your money through things like stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. Financial planning, setting long-term goals like buying a house, retirement, or education. Let's say you earn $1,000 a month. If you are financially literate, you might use the 50-30-20 rule to budget. $500 for need, rent, food, $300 for wants, entertainment, shopping, $200 for saving or paying off debt. Save an emergency fund with 3 months of expenses. Avoid credit card debts by paying your balance on time. Start investing a small amount every month, like $50 in a low-risk index fund. Set a goal to buy a used car in 12 months. And create a plan to save for it. On the other side, without financial literacy, you might spend the entire $1,000 without a plan. Use credit card carelessly, save nothing, panic during emergencies, fall into debt. It's not about being a maths genius. It's about making smart money decisions every day. Just like physical health requires regular workouts and good food, financial health needs informed decisions and smart habits. Now, the next question is why it's important. Let me ask you something. Do you know where your money goes each month? Do you have enough saved if your job ended tomorrow? Are you building wealth or just surviving? If you are not sure, that's not your fault. Most schools never teach financial literacy, but here's why it matters. Example, 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. Meanwhile, people earning average income build wealth with simple strategies. The difference is financial literacy. Without financial literacy, people fall into these traps. Living paycheck to paycheck, relying on credit cards for survival, falling into debt cycle, saving nothing for emergencies or retirement. Result is stress, anxiety, regret. But it doesn't have to be this way. Now, what happens with it? Imagine this. You earn money, you budget wisely, you save consistently, you invest early, you build true freedom. Example, if you invest just $5 a day starting at 22, by 60, you could have over $500,000 thanks to compound interest. Financial literacy turns you from a spender into a wealth builder. And the best part is, anyone can learn it. In this series, we will walk step by step through budgeting, saving, and financial freedom. No boring lectures, just real strategies that actually work. So, if you're ready to change your life, start by understanding money. Hit like, subscribe, and don't miss part 2.